recording?
Oh, yeah, it's recording now.
I'm braiding my hair.
She's braiding her hair.
You check if there's any dirt on the seat.
No, she's checking if there's any dirt on the seat.
Okay, she probably by accident pooped herself.
Okay, here, this thing right here, it's like so warm and stuff. Oh, wait, no, I grabbed the wrong one. Sorry, it was this one that's warm.
I'm like a braid type person now.
It is grabber, or grabar. Grabar. Okay, well, either
Michaela's
way.
leaving.
Okay, Michaela is leaving. Haha, we got your butt on tape. Well, if you are investing in any, sorry. If you are investing in any type of, hand warmer, if you are investing in any type of hand warmer, get this brand. Grabber.
Grabber.
Grabber warmer. That's a funny word. Okay, I want to see that. Okay, once again, look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. Look at it. You know, why does it go dark when you do that? Like, I don't get it.
Neither do I.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the hand warmer. No. I love this song.
Same, but I don't know what the words are.
I know, me neither.
Let's turn it up. Come around, we going, yeah. Come around. And they figured on it. Saxophone.
That's like really the only word.
I know. Let's turn it up here. Yeah.
He does not sing that though. He could never sing that. Like, he doesn't sound like that.
Come along. Like what? The ponies.
Okay. Ponies are coming. That's Jack, the first one. That's my sister's pony. And that's my... Wait, no, that's not my pony. That's Phoenix. Sorry. My pony's already in. Ha ha! Silly Rachel! Silly me! Ha ha ha! Woo! Ha ha! Hilarious!
Pro. Uncle Andy.
That was my Uncle Andy.
My Uncle Andy too.
No, not her. Silly me! It's like her second father, Andy, sort of. Like,
Because Jacqueline's like my adopted sister. She's my adopted sister, so that means you're my adopted cousin. Ooh, gum.
yeah, I don't know how old it is.
Smell it. I'll pass.
Oh yeah, this is the gross type of gum. It's nasty. Wait. Oh, Peaches! Look, okay. The pony. That pony is Peaches. She's adorable. But not as adorable as my pony. Just say it. Ha ha. There it is. I found it. I got it.
Rap superstars do when they're not on tour making music. Apparently, they play Connect 4.
Let me see what's on Gooner too. How about we try this one? No, this one? Yeah. Tartar sauce.
No, we don't really have anything like that. Because I don't think it's worked out. Oh, I think.
Stand up.
There we go.
Stand up.
What up, this is Ludacris right here, and you
Oh!
are listening to the oh so sexy Jesse Jordan on Q102.
Tattoo is coming on by, what's her name? I don't know, she won American Idol.
Jordan
Sparks!
Sparks!
Yeah, that's it. Our other song that we like.
Yes, it's getting kind of hot in here. Too warm in here. Actually, I like it. I know I like it.
No matter what you say about love, I learn every time I try. Stranger, still a stranger. I gotta live my spirit, be free to admit that I'm wrong and then change my mind. I'm sorry, but I have to be wrong.
We'll get for free! Sing this for free! That's the microphone. Like it was my last one. Don't look back at a new direction. I love you once, needed protection. You're still a part of everything I do. You're on my heart just like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. I'll always have you. Goodbye.